Hi everybody and welcome to another video! And today we're gonna start our first wedding DIY videos with my Unity candles, or our Unity candles. They're not just mine. But I'm going to enlist the help of my sister-in-law because she's the crafty one, and we're going to work on our Unity candles. So the very first thing that we're going to do is paint the base, because I got a base. So I bought this one. I think I got this at Hobby Lobby. This cute thing, and we're gonna paint it white. So we're gonna do that. And I actually bought a candle, just a white candle to go on top of it. And then I went to the flea market and I found this one, which is really pretty, and it's gonna look really great on here with the center candle in there. Ta-da! And I was like, oh, that's amazing. So I'm gonna also be painting this white, and I may actually paint the candle itself white. I'm not sure, because the candle that came with it is more of a cream color, and my stick candles are white. So I'm not quite sure about that. I will ask my sister-in-law's opinion on that one, and maybe with this being white it won't make any difference, so I'm not sure about that yet. But then I also got these at the flea market, because I realized that I hadn't bought the actual stands for the stick, or whatever, the pillar. I don't know what the heck those candles are called. The thin, tall ones. So I bought these at the flea market as well. They're from Pure One, but that label looks pretty old, so I don't know when they were at Pure One. And so I thought maybe I'll paint these white as well, so that they'll match the base and stuff. So that's going to be the very first thing that we do, is paint this stuff white. And then we will get all the goodies to decorate the candles. And I actually think maybe these are too tall. Do you think they're too tall? They might need to be shorter. I'm not sure, so I might have to cut these as well. I'm not really sure. We'll figure it out. I kind of feel that these might be too tall. We'll figure it out. Anyway, so the first thing I'm going to do is go paint these. Okay, well, while the paint is drying on the candlestick standy thingy. Hey, we match. We're both pink. We're gonna work on our candles. So the inspiration for my candles is right here. This, right here. Not the baby. Oh, there'll be a picture here. And so that's my inspiration. So we'll see how it goes. And I have my lovely sister-in-law Ashley here to help me.
Can I help?
Yes, and Laura wants to help too. You want to help?
I need to help Mommy.
Okay.
Well, we're in here.
We're gonna help Mommy. All right.
Where
So.
are you going?
I'm not going to help Casey.
Oh,
Okay,
she doesn't want to help me.
bye.
Okay, well that's fine. She's gonna go play with her dinos. So we have our tall. What are these called?
Candlesticks?
Tapered candles.
Probably.
Anyway, we have these tall candles. We have this one, which I don't think I'm really going to do anything to, because it's going to go inside the thing. So we're going to put it over there. We have ribbon, blue and pink. We have the pretty lace. And we have pink little bowy flower thingies. And we have white little bowy flower thingies. We have a glue gun, and we have glue sticks. We also have other glue in case we need it. So, have a seat, young lady. Let's see. Oh, and of course my inspiration is on my camera phone. But I think you kind of know what I want.
remember.
Yeah.
I remember.
Okay. So I guess the first thing we need to figure out is how we're going to. Well, do you think that these are too tall? Because they just seem awfully tall.
Well, this is going to be.
It's going to be
in
up.
and on top
like
of the
that,
other one,
but
so
do
it's
you
going
think?
to. It'll be about this tall.
Yeah. I mean, I guess it'll be all right.
Inside that other part, so it should
Second
be
question was, do you think we should paint this white, or do you think it'll be fine?
It'll be
inside?
fine.
It'll
I
be
wouldn't
fine.
paint it at all.
Okay.
because it's going to be inside something white, so
Right.
a little bit of contrast will
Okay.
probably look good.
So that should be all right the way that is. So I guess we'll open our candles.
I don't want to break the candle.
Decorate the dinosaurs.
We're not decorating dinosaurs right now. We're
decorating
here.
candles.
Can I decorate the candles?
You can help. You're gonna take my chair?
Help me.
Help me, help me. Help me, help me. Come here, help me. Have a seat.
All right, so the idea is that I want to wrap
Can I help?
one of the
you?
candles in
What we're doing.
pink ribbon and
Stay right
put blue flowers on it, and then the other one in blue ribbon and put pink flowers because pink and blue are our colors.
This off? Good job. Take the trash up here. You gonna open that up? Alright. Let's let Lacey decide how tall she wants it.
I'm going to
That's
help
too tall.
I think
Casey.
that's too tall.
I
Yeah.
want to
Maybe
help
still-
Casey.
You are helping Lacey. You're being very good help.
Now I can decorate the candle.
We're gonna decorate a candle. Yep. We
That
just
looks
gotta
about right. About half.
Okay.
Maybe half.
Whoa.
Maybe I should have brought a measuring something.
Help me.
Here, hold on.
Let me measure them.
Okay. You measure how long you want it, and then we'll cut it to that.
All right,
How
so
would we
the
find the
candlestick is
I can decorate the candles
14 and a half?
sparklers.
14 3/4.
Can I
So
decorate
half
the
of
candles
14. We'll
with
just do 7.
sparkles?
That's fine. 7
inches.
inches. So we
Yeah, because you're still gonna go up a bit with
Right.
your lace. Okay. We're gonna measure this to 7 inches.
7 inches of
And I
ribbon.
will decorate the candle too.
Yes.
Yes.
we will. Are you gonna be big help?
Yes.
Give me a hug. Mm-hmm.
And make the candle blue.
Yes, we're gonna make our candle blue while Lacey makes hers pink. And then we get to put pink flowers on ours, huh? Alrighty. This is our 7 inches of candle stuff.
All right, so we got our ribbon cut at 7 inches, and we're going to lay the ribbon down and put glue on one side. We're going to try the
Can I help?
stick glue because I think it'll work the best. Or Ashley thinks it'll work the best, and she's the crafty person. I don't know what I'm doing.
Can I decorate? Can you decorate the
Assuming that the glue will stick to the candle.
That could be wrong.
I could decorate the
So it doesn't look like it likes
and
the.
I will just
Stick with-
decorate
Well,
and did it
Hmm.
blue flowers
to be continued.
look too. And make it white just so we can make it white. I need white flowers to grow. It's pretty pink. Oh, okay. And white. And white. And white. And pink. And pink. And pink. And pink. And white. And white. And blue and blue. And I will decorate it so I can decorate it. I will just decorate it. I want to decorate it. I want to decorate.
Okay, so what we came up with was the glue gun. Seems to be the only thing that makes the ribbon stick to the candle.
Fun.
So that's what we're doing. No, it's not necessarily the prettiest on the back of the candle, but I mean, we're not going to see the back of the candle anyway, right? Right.
We make it stick to the candle like that. We twist it around.
If you're looking for a proper DIY video, this probably isn't it.
No, but we will make the candle stick to this. So. This is not going to be the prettiest job or the cleanest, but we got the stupid ribbon to stick to the stupid candle, so we're happy. Ouch. That's hot.
Don't do this at home either. That shit hurts. Ow!
Just a little more glue under here. And it's sticking.
Ta-da!
And
Yay!
it's pretty in the front. Just don't
Yeah.
look at the back.
Okay, so we've got the ribbon on the candles. Like I said, the back isn't necessarily pretty, but we'll just pretend that we don't see the back, because the back is going to be not facing us. So, yeah. It might be facing the crowd. It's okay. It's okay.
Glue flowers to the back.
There you go. Maybe we'll glue flowers to the back. But we've got the ribbon on, so we'll see what happens now. Okay, so the next step is we have this really pretty lace we're going to attach at the top of the... Now maybe the top and the bottom of the candle. Maybe freaking in the middle. Maybe just all over the freaking place. We'll work it out.
You do something like this.
See, that's pretty.
Or you can do like that.
Ooh. I kind of like that.
Or we could do both. You flip it over.
Ooh, we could do it there and then maybe that way too?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And then we're going to put flowers around that anyway.
Yeah.
The inner junction. All right, so that's what we're going to do. All right. Now we're
Maybe
going
it's too short.
And this is why I have Ashley. I would have been like, I don't know what to do. I'm completely lost.
There we go.
So now the lace has actually something to glue to, which makes it a heck of a lot easier.
Might want to trim a little bit of this off. Maybe sticking to the back. Oh, hey, that glue's still sticky.
Yay! Maybe tack down the little tippies, maybe?
Oh, yeah, we will. Most definitely. You don't want them to flop
There.
off. Pretty.
All right, so we got that part. Now we're gonna do another piece that's gonna go around the top.
Right, I'm gonna get this one lined up with that one. And cut it about there.
Okay, we got the first lace on there. Doesn't that look pretty? Yeah, I mean, it does. Okay, the back is horrendous, but the front is so pretty. You know what? Maybe we could put, I don't know. Well,
Flowers.
we'll just put a row of flowers down the back. But isn't that pretty though? I think it's pretty. Now we're gonna do the pink one. Okay, so we have the lace on the candles. Don't they look pretty? Ashley's so talented. She did a good job. All right, so now we're going to start decorating them with the flowers and such. Okay, so the idea is to put the pink bow flower thingies on the blue. Don't look at the ugly side. And the blue ones onto the pink, and then put the whites in there somewhere. So that's what we're going to do. Okay, so we got the candlestick parts done, and I went out and my stands are now pretty and white and dry, or dry enough to work with anyway. So what do you think? They're all white and pretty, and I'm pretty happy with them. So my thoughts are to decorate around this one. Oh, doesn't that look so pretty? Ooh. So my thoughts are to put some flowers like like around this at the base so that it matches the candlesticks. So I guess I'll just glue them around there is my idea. Anyway, and then I thought, do I want to put the lace on there somehow? Or just the flowers? Because I could actually glue this around there. I don't know. What do you think? What do you think? And then we could glue these here around the top. That's pretty cute. Okay, so this is what I came up with. I'm putting the lace around the top, and then I'm going to put flowers around that. So that's what I decided to do. So that's what I'm gonna do. And the finished product. Aren't they so